Hi angels, welcome back to another custom sneakers. This time we're gonna be doing some Dior sneakers. I got this idea off Pinterest actually. I saw a ton of it done with Converse, but I didn't have any, so I went to Dollar General and I picked up these shoes for $5. Really nice and simple and cheap. And the stickers, not stickers, but the Dior plastic thing that I'm going to be using, I will definitely be leaving it down in the description box below. The thing is, these don't have a name. That's very weird. It's not like you can call them like stickers for shoes. I don't know. That's just me. But yeah, I will leave it down in the description box below. And all you're going to need is your scissors and your little mini iron, which I'll also leave in the description box down below. So it's the same method as we have done several times before. We're just ironing it on to the shoes. And these do not take long for it to transfer to the sneakers. So you don't have to worry that you're going to be doing this like all day. No, it's like 10 to 5 minutes. Not 10 to 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Making sure that you rub the iron on it. When you see the paper start shriveling up, then that's when you know that you have applied enough heat. So you should be good to go. And making sure that I leave the iron on there for like a few seconds just to make sure. Then I'm just rubbing the iron all over it, making sure that I get every single spot. And by the way, I'm only using 3 sheets. I had 4, but I use it for another shoes just to see if it will work. And it would not transfer on there, but for this shoes, it works perfectly fine. So don't know what was happening to the last one. I'm telling you guys this because I didn't have enough to finish all of the shoes, but I improvised and I still think it turned out amazing. So you guys will see in the end. Well, obviously I used the picture as a thumbnail, so you guys already saw how it looks. Still looks good. And I'm going to be using every sheet of paper that I have to cover up every little spot, so I didn't waste any of it. And now we're just removing it. And if you're pulling it off, you're realizing that it didn't transfer to the shoes, just place the iron on there a little bit longer, and then you can lift it up and it should transfer just like this. And a little FYI, the iron is really, really hot, so it can burn to your sheets or anything that you have. So be very careful of where you place it down, and don't let it touch your skin. It'll start smoking. Now we're going on to the other side and we're using the same method. Just running our iron all the way through it. Since I have a lot of small pieces, I'm like trying to connect the dots, trying to see where it matches. We're doing a little puzzle work right here. Because I wanted to make sure that I have enough for both shoes, so using all of it. But usually you don't need 4 sheets. 4. If you want to cover up the whole shoes. But 3 works perfectly fine. And by the way, I'm doing both sides, so yep. This is the best part whenever you get to pull it off. Except when you don't transfer everything. But I love it. It already looks amazing. Voila! And there you go. So cute. So now add 2 extra Dior stickers from other stuff that I've ordered that I was gonna do. But I decided to just place store them at the front of the shoes so that you can completely just add a little more flavor. I think if I just left it just the way it was, it would have still looked good, but I wanted to add 2 of the other front that just says Dior. And this is the final look of how everything turned out. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. I absolutely love these. They're so cute. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. By the way, I got this dress from Fashion Nova.